Hey y'all, so today I am making oven baked barbecue chicken. So good. And also, if you're new here, be sure you subscribe, like the video. Without further ado, let's make it. So if you're new here, what I always do is wash my chicken, my meat, okay? Any type of meat, I like to wash it with lemon, vinegar, lime, whatever. But if you do not like to wash your chicken, that is fine with me. Just skip the washing step in the video. Just move straight to the cooking, okay? But I like to wash mine with some lemon and some vinegar. Now what I usually do is just cut the little tip of the wing. It's just something that I do, and remove the feathers as well, because there's a lot of feathers in there. Just remove them, and then I am going to scrub the lemon all over the chicken wings. Also, there's some yellow skin like thing on the chicken wings. I like to remove that as well. It's just nasty to me, so I like to remove that, or as much as I can. So we're just gonna scrub the chicken wings with the lemon. Once you're done, you're going to rinse it, okay? Just use room temperature water, rinse it out. Once I'm done rinsing it, I am going to squeeze it a little bit to remove the water, because when we're baking it, it's gonna be producing a lot of water. So make sure once you're rinsing it, kind of squeeze the chicken a little bit, okay? All right, you can see what I'm doing right now. And then I am going to add my chicken wings to a clean bowl. This is it right here. I'm adding some oil to make sure the seasoning stick on to the chicken wings. Make sure you pat dry your chicken wings, by the way, before you add your seasoning in your oil. So now I'm adding some cornstarch because I want to have some texture to the chicken. I want it to be crispy, even though I am going to add barbecue sauce on it. I like textures, okay? So now I am adding my seasoning, which is pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and I am adding thyme, oregano. I am adding some paprika for a beautiful, nice color. I'm adding chili powder, and also I am adding some Creole seasoning, which is very optional. And yeah, all the seasoning will be down below, so be sure to check that out. We're going to cover this, put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. And we're going to start baking this. In this baking rack thingy here, I am going to spray it to make sure my chicken doesn't stick on there, because I want my chicken to be nice and crispy. They're not going to be fully crispy, but I don't want them to be sitting on the water, so I put them on a rack. This is it right here. About 20 minutes later, I flip them over, bake them again. So I bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until it's nice and tender. This is it. Now I am going to toss them in my barbecue sauce. I am using my favorite barbecue sauce, honey barbecue, my favorite. That's what I like to eat. You can use regular one, doesn't matter. Just toss it, and I am going to pop it in the oven once more, just to caramelize the barbecue sauce. And yeah, once it is done, you'll have the most delicious, chicken wings, barbecue chicken wings recipe. It's easy, very easy. And yeah, basically this is what you have. As you guys can see, they look so good, so delicious looking, and it has a nice color on there. And for the seasoning, you can use the seasoning that you normally use. You don't have to use the seasoning mix that I use. You can use whatever you're comfortable with. This is it. I am going to eat it. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. And when I tell you it's good, it's good. My chicken wings, they're the bomb. Check them out. I have a whole playlist of that. So thank you for watching. Be sure you are subscribed if you're new. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, because that helps me a lot. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.